Hello, welcome to my channel. This is the fourth videos of my PHP basics video series. Today I'm going to talk about variable, and I will start to build a simple project. Alright, okay, let us start. Let me switch to Windows. Okay, this is the the environment that we have already set up. So let's get started. So let's see, where is the folder for the web server root directory. This is the most important directory. Alright, okay, it should be in C, XAMPP, and htdocs, right? I talked about it in my last lesson. So this is the folder that we are looking at. So this is the file that we are going to open. More apps. Look for another app. See what is in the program files. Okay, let's open it up. Okay, so this is the small functions that we call previously. So for every PHP file, it has to start with this directive, okay, and end with this. Okay, the last one might not be needed, but I normally will use it all over the place. So PHP is actually a HTML embedded language, meaning that it's embedded inside a HTML file. Alright, so if you totally want to get rid of HTML, yes, you can, but it's going to be a little bit difficult to program to me. Alright, so embedded makes the program a little bit more complicated because of alignment and all those things. It's going to be a little bit more difficult to read. Okay, but never mind. PHP is very powerful language. It helps you overcome this. All right. Okay. So the first thing that I'm going to talk about is variable in PHP. So all variables in PHP must start with a $sign. Okay. We will start with $sign and whatever variable name is needed. Let's say text. Okay, equals is an assignment. Okay, equal is assignment, so they assign certain values, and all PHP statement has to end with a semicolon. Okay, let's say welcome to PHP. This means that this text variable is assigned with this literal string. Okay, this is a string, so we start with a double quote and end with a double quote, meaning that it's a string. You can use single quote if you don't like it, but single quote and double quote in PHP are different. Okay, so whenever you put a single quote, meaning that this is a fixed literal string, you can't put variable inside. Maybe one day you will need it. If you assign someone, let's say this is my surname. Okay, welcome to PHP. Alright, you can put like this. Okay, in double quote, this is double quote, right? The name will be replaced with we. Okay, will be replaced by my surname. Okay, but in single quote, it will not be replaced. It will not be replaced. It will print as it is. Okay, it will print like oh. Save it. Okay, it will print as it is. Let's try. So this is how we access the web server, right? See, welcome to PHP name. See, this is actually a variable, right? So it's not being replaced by the content of the variable. So if we change to double quote and we refresh the browser, bingo! See, this is already replaced by we. So in PHP or C language, it's very unique features. Cannot find anywhere else, I believe. Not even in Pascal-based language. So if this is in Pascal, then I will have to do it that way. I cannot put variables inside a string. So I have to do something like this is concatenate. Okay, this is concatenate and name, something like that. Okay, this will produce the same output. Alright, this will produce the same output. If we refresh it one more time, see, it will produce the same output. Alright, so in PHP, you can do that. You can do like that. That will simplify the code a little bit. Right? So you don't have to have a concatenate of the string. Okay, so to concatenate is actually a dot. A dot. So let's say I want to type welcome back, something like that. Okay, so this is a concatenate of two strings. Okay, one at the beginning. Of course, you can don't want to use concatenate, but I just want to show you what is concatenate. Okay, if you refresh it, then it will something like that. Okay, if you don't want to use it, it's still possible. You can use it. You can do it this way. Okay, so it will produce the same output. Right? I just want to show you what is concatenate. Okay, this is variable, and I have gone through with you with some of the operator as well. So this will be a mix of kind of a lesson. I don't really organize it properly in one whole stretch. No, right? I like to do it that way. Okay. Okay, I forgot to say about echo. Echo is actually a function in PHP. It's a standard function. You just print the text or the variable on screen or on browser in this case. All right, and PHP is an interpreted language. It will execute the code from top to bottom. So we normally don't use go to or just some jump around the code. So we will have from top to bottom. We will process the whole thing. Okay, so in my last lecture or lesson, I have installed the syntax checker, right? So let us try whether it is really functional. Right, deleting this, this become an invalid statement. This line is invalid because of a semicolon at the end. We don't put a semicolon at the end, so it's a syntax error already. So let us save this file and see whether it checks for syntax or not. Alright, so it checks, it does check. Okay, unexpected token echo, meaning that it's not separated by semicolon, and you straight away issue another command, something like a command. Alright, so it complain about this error, so you have to put a semicolon at the end. Right, so if you don't close the string, you will have the same thing. Okay, unexpected file, something like that. Alright, so at least you know that there is something wrong with your PHP, and don't straight away execute it. If you execute it, you will have error over here. See this one? Same thing, same error with the one that we received just now. Alright, unexpected end of file, something like that, pass error. So it's very helpful when the file getting larger and it's getting more complicated. Okay, more complicated, and then you can't find where the syntax gone wrong. So this program will help you to find where is the problem. Okay, where is the problem, and you can fix it up front before you test it out on your browser. All right. Okay, today's lesson until here. All right, I hope you like this video. If you do, smash the like button, share my video, and subscribe to my channel. Turn on all notifications. All right, I will see you next lesson. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.